Playlist section here. We have song deleted section here as well. So this is pretty much where you go to create your songs. If you tap on this option here, I'll be able to enter a prompt as it relates to the song that I want to create or a description of the song. As well, if I do any with this option here where it says prompt, all I have to do is just enter the prompt, and if I disable this option here at the top, all I have to do is just enter the lyrics of the songs, and that's pretty much it. Down here you may have some other options. You can set the language that you want the song to be, French, Spanish, pretty much all the languages that are available. As you can see here as well, you can just select the one that I want the song to be in. Let's say I want the song to be in French, I can select this option, and that's pretty much it. So here we're able to enter the song lyric. If I don't want to enter the song lyric, as I said before, get enable this feature here, which enables you to enter a prompt. And if you don't have anything in mind, you can always tap on this star icon here, and it will generate a song prompt for you, which you can use. Down here you have the option to select your style for your music. If you want it to be, not this option here, K-pop, whatever the case that is. And you can also tap on the dice icon here to give you something random. But anyways, that's really pretty much it for that. There you have the advanced settings here, which can also enter the song name or give the song a name. And as well, you can choose whether you want a male or female singing the song. As you can see here, you can select random as well. And also the environment in which the song is being sung. Let's say you want the song to sound as if the person's in a studio or at a live concert, whichever one works best for you. As well, you do have the instrumental option here as well. As you can see here, all I have to use pretty much your prompt at the top here, and your style and your advanced settings are pretty much good to go. You'll be able to generate your songs. Do keep in mind you're going to need credits. As you can see here, I don't have any credits to generate any songs, so you're going to need credits to generate your songs. So if I do go in the settings option here, I'll be able to get a subscription for me to use this application here. So I'm going to need a subscription to use this application here. So we do tap on the subscription option here. As you can see here, we'll just show this. And we'll just follow the song here, nothing much. As you can see here, you can scroll on a bit and you'll be able to see their subscription prices and what they offer. As you can see here, they have a weekly subscription and a yearly subscription, and it pretty much shows you what to be getting as it relates to their subscription. And pretty much once you do go in the settings section again, if you have any problems, you can always contact their support team. As well, you can give their application a good rating if you really do like their application. And I would recommend enabling this feature here, although it's already enabled. But yeah, so that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and I'll see if we can help you out.